Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we have some donated footage from you. A couple of gentlemen flying a few years ago up in Alaska doing a touch and go on a glacier. Again, this is not recommended, but enjoy the video. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, there you go. From the original audio that we filtered, you could actually hear the landing gear hitting the glacier, rumbling, and then back into the air. Again, not a recommended procedure, not part of safety by anything, but it can be safely done as demonstrated here. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.